is the best place to start organizing? Like, you look around your house and everything's a mess. Everything's super overwhelming. So where do you start? Where makes the most sense? What do the experts say about where to start when organizing? Back when we moved into our house in Minnesota, I would spend so much time wasting my mental energy on where to start when organizing. Like, I would spend so much time sifting through things and like, is this the right spot? Is that the right spot? Everything seems so disorganized, and then I just run myself around in circles and I wouldn't actually take any action. So I don't want you to do that. I've already done it. While you might feel it's really important to find the perfect spot to start and that there is a perfect spot to start, the truth is it doesn't matter where you start. It's all about just starting. Shocking, I know. This is like groundbreaking information here. I'm sure you're like, okay, Jessica. Now, here's the thing. You probably are like, okay, I already know where to start. Like, I know we just have to start, but like, where? So here we go. We're gonna calm that brain and we're gonna be like, okay, brain, take a chill pill. This is what we're going to do. We are going to pick one small area, like a junk drawer or a shoe bin. Maybe a small closet, like maybe where there's like 8 coats total max. You are gonna pick one small area, like teeny tiny small. You are going to set your timer for 15 minutes. That's it, no more. 15 minutes. Your brain can wrap its head around 15 minutes. It can be like, I can do this. This isn't gonna take long. Going through my purse is not gonna take 15 minutes. Going through the glove box of my car while I wait to pick up my kids isn't going to take that long. Then you're just going to declutter, clean up, organize, whatever word fits for you. You're gonna just do it. Do the thing. Just like that. And then you're gonna celebrate because you just did something. You started somewhere. You started with your purse. You started with the junk drawer. You started with that closet. You started with the glove box in your car. Whatever it may be, you started with one small task. And that is the key of where to start. That one small win that you just did is going to start building and building and building because you're going to do this every day. Teeny tiny areas, small spots, not all the things, but one small spot. Maybe it is one shelf of your bookcase. Maybe it is one drawer in your kitchen. Maybe it is one cabinet in your bathroom. You're going to pick that one spot, one small spot. You're going to set your timer for 15 minutes. You're going to go and then you're going to celebrate yourself because you just took action on where to start, because that's the best place to start organizing. It's not a specific location, it's the act of doing. So if you are ready to take more action, I have a free checklist that you are going to love, and it walks you through these exact steps. Like, nothing big, just boop, 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 and you're done. So you can get that where you're watching this video. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out these other ones because I know you're going to love them.